Bucky. No, I turn the camera on and he gets all still.
You know I'd help you if I could, but all my money's going to my former wife, my former house, my former wife's current lawyers, and all their descendants. So, you're going to have to drastically change your lifestyle for a few months. Fine. You win. I win? What do I win? How is this a win for me? Whatever. I'll cut back, like you said. Now, come on, let's all go out for a nice dinner. I'm fine. Good idea. That's the money saver.
He's like, I'm dirty.
Don't crack out.
He's like, man, this stuff is great.
Disappeared. This is how the gray era met its end. Just for Men auto stop. It's a breakthrough. No mix, no mess. It just comes in. And the formula shuts off at just the right color for the perfect look every time. It's foolproof. New Just for Men auto stop. Gray is over. Nobody does.
Probably gonna bite you.
It's Papa John's new Buffalo Chicken Pizza. Get a large for only $10. Featuring all white chicken. That's Papa John's quality for just $10. Call or click papajohns.com.
We need a good night's sleep, which means a little heat to keep us warm. A good dose of support for my back. Some over-the-top comfort compared to our perfect dream factory.
See that hand moving
Feeling sleepy already? Nighty-night.
Hi, Bucky.
At Safelite, we think a repair should last. With most repair resins, the quality seems the same, but over time, inferior resins can break down. Safelite's exclusive resin stays stronger and lasts longer. Call now.
Safelite repair, Safelite replace. So which one tasted better?
Oh, Steve. Yeah, the guy. Steve, I tasted peanut butter and Snickers. Yeah.
Steve had just eaten Snickers peanut butter squares.
What are you doing, Bucky?
If you like peanut butter and chocolate,
I'm waiting for him to attack the dog.
try Snickers peanut butter square. Here's to kids. And all the things that make a house a home. Coldwell Bank, where home begins. This new diet half and half's awesome. Best part's lemonade. Best part's tea. So which half is your favorite? The blended so perfectly.
What happened right here?
Made from the best stuff on earth. Exciting things are happening at Burger King. Look, they got new menu items.
What's in Burger King?
Oh, thanks. We'll have the strawberry smoothie, chicken strips, and the garden fresh salad. I see this car's running wild. Look at that salad. Oh, great. You know, Jay, we do have a drive-thru. Exciting.
You might get slapped, Buster.
Here at Burger King, exciting things, people. The new menu options. Come and get it at Burger King.
So in love with it.
Closed captioning and other consideration for 2.5 men provided by.
It's like, I'll just rub my face all in it. We'll take a nap.
How the kite?
33 shades. L'Oreal technology matches your skin's tone and undertone. There's only one true match for me. True match from L'Oreal.
Free is better. Do your simple return with the Federal Free Edition at TurboTax.com. TurboTax, the most trusted brand of tax software.
You remember when he wouldn't even get near you? That stuff?